Mpumalanga residents are warned to be very careful as heavy rain continues to cause flooding and damage to roads. Several roads used by commuters have been affected, including parts of the R533 between Graskop and Bushbuckridge, as well as local roads in Ekulindeni, Mooiplaas, Barumeng, amongst others. Some roads are flooded, damaged, or unsafe to use. Flooding has also been reported in the R40 near Bushbuckridge, especially in low-lying areas. Drivers are warned not to drive through flooded roads or bridges. Water can hide deep holes and damage road surfaces. Slow down, keep a safe distance, and avoid traveling unless it is necessary.